Hi there, I am MasaudSec. This is a clear, step-by-step explanation of why many hackers prefer Linux over Windows. A hacker is someone who explores, tests, or manipulates computer systems. Hackers can be ethical professionals or malicious actors, but we focus on ethical use. Preference for an operating system is usually about tools, control, and workflow. Many security professionals choose Linux for practical technical advantages. First, Linux is open source, which means its code is public and inspectable. Open source builds trust because experts can audit and fix code. Windows is mostly closed source, so internals are hidden from public view. Closed source forces researchers to reverse engineer behavior when needed. Second, Linux is highly customizable from the kernel to the desktop. You can build a minimal system without unnecessary services or software. Minimal systems reduce the attack surface and reduce background noise. Windows has more integrated components that are harder to strip down. Third, Linux command line shells like Bash and Zsh are powerful and common. Command line pipelines make automation and chaining tools easy and fast. PowerShell on Windows is powerful too, but many security tools assume Unix-like shells. Fourth, the security tooling ecosystem is richer on Linux historically. Classic pen testing tools were developed for Unix-like environments first. Many distributions come pre-packaged with security tools for convenience. Fifth, Linux package managers simplify installing and updating software. apt, yum, and pacman make reproducible setups and scripted installations easy. Windows now has Chocolatey and Wingit, but package management arrived later. Sixth, Linux can run very light and conserve RAM and CPU for heavy tasks. Lightweight distros are great for running many virtual machines and labs. Windows tends to be heavier by default and uses more system resources. Seventh, Linux exposes deep networking controls like IP tables and NF tables. This control is essential for building test networks, VPNs, and proxies. Windows networking is capable, but the Linux ecosystem makes advanced routing easier. Eighth, Linux includes low-level tools like TCP dump, strace, and lsoff readily available. These tools speed up debugging, monitoring, and forensic analysis. Windows has equivalents, but workflows and availability differ. Ninth, the Linux permission model and user group controls are simple and powerful. Linux supports advanced enforcement like SE Linux and AppArmor for containment. Windows uses NTFS ACLs, which are powerful but different in behavior and tooling. 10th, Linux has a vast global community that shares fixes and tutorials. Community support helps learners solve problems quickly during labs. Documentation and open discussions make troubleshooting faster. 11th, Linux is the common host for containers and virtualization platforms. Docker, Kubernetes, and many cloud tools run natively or best on Linux. Containers make isolated, repeatable security testing environments. Windows supports containers, but the ecosystem favors Linux. 12th, scripting languages like Python and Ruby integrate smoothly on Linux. Text processing and glue scripting are central to chaining security tools. Windows supports the same languages, but Linux tooling often feels native. 13th, many Linux distributions are free, lowering cost for labs and education. Free distros make it easy to spin up many VM instances for practice. Windows licensing can add cost when creating large training environments. 14th, Linux Live USB environments let you boot without installing. Live distros are useful for temporary labs and safe forensic investigations. Windows has WinPE, but full live distributions are more common on Linux. 15th, Linux has a strong server heritage and powers most internet servers. Security professionals who work on servers naturally train on Linux. Understanding Linux helps when targeting real-world server deployments. 16th, researchers can build and test custom kernels on Linux. Kernel-level experimentation is useful for advanced security research. Windows does not allow the same level of kernel openness and customization. 17th, many security-focused distributions exist like Kali and Parrot. These distros collect tools, scripts, and documentation tailored for testing. They save setup time and standardize tool availability for learners. 18th, Linux allows repeatable, scriptable lab setups with automation tools. Infrastructure as code and scripting match well with Linux environments. 19th, Linux logging and text-based configuration files are easy to parse. Plain text configs make automation, search, and version control simple. Windows configurations sometimes use registry and binary formats that are harder to treat as text. 20th, Linux encourages learning core system concepts which builds deeper skill. The steeper learning curve rewards curiosity and technical understanding. Windows focuses on user experience and hides many internals for convenience. 21st, both systems have security models and best practices to learn. Skilled professionals often combine Linux tools with Windows knowledge for real tests. Real networks mix Linux servers and Windows endpoints, so both matter. 22nd, ethics and legality are essential in security work. Always obtain explicit permission and written scope before testing systems. Unauthorized hacking is illegal and harms people and organizations. 23rd, hands-on practice should use isolated virtual labs or test networks. Use virtual machines, containers, or lab appliances to avoid collateral damage. 24th, start learning Linux with beginner-friendly distros like Ubuntu or Kali for security. Practice common commands, networking basics, and shell scripting regularly. Also learn Windows internals like Active Directory, PowerShell, and endpoint security. Balanced knowledge makes you a more effective security professional. 25th, practical workflow example, use Linux for toolchains and Windows for target emulation. Set up a Kali or Ubuntu VM as your attacker machine and a Windows VM as the victim. Use snapshots and isolated networks so experiments are repeatable and safe. 26th, keep systems updated and use official repositories for trusted software. Validate tools from known sources and avoid pirated or unknown binaries. Final summary, hackers prefer Linux because of openness, control, tools, and flexibility. But Windows remains critical for enterprise targets and everyday usability. Learn both, practice ethically, and use these skills to protect systems, not harm them.